Are you trying to rent an apartment in New York City and wondering what credit score landlords really want? Here's what you need to know before you apply. Many New York City landlords prefer applicants with a credit score of 700 or higher. Some landlords may accept around 670 or better depending on the apartment income, documents, and overall application strength. In a few cases, a landlord may consider a score slightly below that range if the reason is understandable. For example, new credit history, student loans, or medical bills, which some landlords may view as more acceptable than other credit problems. But here's the important part. Landlords usually do not want to see previous bankruptcy, repeated late payments, unpaid high balances, or a pattern of financial instability. Before you apply, don't rely only on free bank apps or popular credit monitoring services. Those scores can sometimes be different from what landlords see, and they may not show all your accounts in full detail. Instead, check your credit directly with at least 2 major credit bureaus so you can review your accounts, balances, late payments, collections, and possible mistakes before submitting an application. Many renters lose apartments because they apply before checking what's really on their credit report. These helpful rental approval tips were provided by New York Rent Help 101. Check the link in the description for the ebook, where you'll find tips, dispute strategies, and effective credit improvement hacks that credit repair companies have used for years to help renters work on raising their credit in as little as 30 to 60 days, depending on their situation.